Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Shaunneka and today I have a very lovely evening yoga stretch for you. This one is perfect to do at the end of a hectic day, very soothing for the lower half and a very chill practice. There's also an extra long shavasana at the end. I hope you enjoy the practice today. There are no props required and I will see you on the mat. Starting laying down today. Bringing the soles of the feet to touch and bringing the arms up overhead. Just taking a few breaths here. On the next inhale, let's bring the soles of the feet to the floor, readjust the hips, taking the right ankle and crossing over the left hip, making sure that right foot is flexed. You can stay here, pushing away on the right thigh with your right hand. Otherwise, picking up the left foot, weave your hands to the hole, grab the back of the left hamstring, or on top of the left shin. Let's gently release the grip on the left knee, bring the sole of the left foot to the floor, and then tilt this shape all the way down and over to the left. So your right foot comes now to the floor, your right knee is pointing towards the sky. And grab a hold of the right ankle with your left hand. Trying not to let the right knee drop to the floor. Gently release the grip on the ankle and draw the shape all the way back up. Uncross, repeating this on the other side. So the left ankle crosses over the right kneecap. And then just finding your variation on this side. Gently releasing the grip, bringing the sole of the right foot to the floor, and then tilting the shape all the way down to the right, grabbing a hold of the left ankle with the right hand. And again, drawing the left knee towards the sky. Gently releasing the grip, draw the shape all the way back up and uncross. Draw the knees in towards your chest. And as you draw the knees in towards your chest, you're bringing your knees to point to the underside of your armpit. So you want your knees slightly wide. You can wrap your forearms around your knees, interlace your fingers, just gently rock side to side here. Release, just rotating the ankles, wiggling the toes. And from here, you can close the knees, bring your hands behind the backs of your knees, and we're going to rock up and find a cross-legged position. So bringing the right shin in front of the left. And you want to bring your feet a little bit forward and a little bit wide so that you're not sitting on your ankles. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale to fold over your right shin. Let's walk our fingertips to the left. And to the right. And as you're drawing to the right, think about drawing your left rib cage over the right thigh. Help you twist a little deeper. Lifting the gaze from here. Keep your right hand where it is. You're going to unravel the left knee, finding yourself in a deer position. So there's a gap between your right ankle or your right heel and your left knee. Inhale to reach up with your left fingertips. And exhale, sweep your left arm underneath the right. Find that twist. 2 more. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, twist. Last one, inhale. And exhale, twist. Bringing your right hand to meet your left. Stack your left knee on top of the right. Inhale, puff up through the chest. Feel that nice side body stretch on the left side. Inhale for 3. For 2. And 1. Extend the left leg back out as you draw the right foot in towards the groin. Inhale and exhale, fold down over the right shin. Inhale to rise back up. Bring your right hand beside your right hip. Sweep your left arm up and back for 3, 2, and 1. Bring your seat back down to the floor, and we'll repeat this on the other side. So bringing your left shin in front of the right, feet come forward and wide. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to fold. Let's walk all 10 fingertips to the right. And to the left. From here, lifting the gaze, ground down to the left hand. We're going to unravel that right leg, finding deer position with the legs. Inhale that right arm up. And exhale, sweep the right arm underneath the left. Ooh. Inhale. And sweep. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Gently from here, bring your right hand to meet the left and stack your right knee on top of the left. Pull your wrists back, puff up through the chest, inhale. Feel that nice side body stretch. Think about scrunching the right side so you could feel the stretch in the left side. From here now, we'll straighten that right leg, bring the left foot in towards the groin, and fold down over the left foot. On the inhale, gently rise, bring your left fingertips beside your left hip. Push down into your right shin and reach up and back with the right fingertips. For 3, 2, and 1. Bringing yourself back down to a seat. From here, extend the legs down the length of your mat. Roll onto your back. Grab a hold of the outer edges of your feet. Find happy baby. Pulling down on your feet as you push your tailbone and the back of the skull into the mat. Gently closing the shape, close the knees, gently rock. And I've been getting quite a few requests to do snail or plow pose. So if that's in your practice, you can find that now. Bring your hands by your side, bring your legs up, off back. Gently making your way out of the pose. Let's keep our legs up. Let's bring our arms up. So trying to drop your shoulders back into the socket. We're going to shake here. You're going to shake your arms, shake your legs, shake your fingers, shake your toes. Shake, 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 shake. Releasing any of the residues left from your day. Just get it all out. Five, 4, 3, 2, and hold still. In your own time, in your own way, making your way to shavasana. I hope you enjoyed the practice today. I'm going to end it here. So you can take as long as you'd like in your shavasana. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoy this extended shavasana.